Dominic O'Neill has stunned the crowd.
It started with the first goal, and after the first goal, like I said, I just felt relieved, and that was it. Everything just started rolling for me. I started making all the right decisions, staying focused. I didn't know I was going to reach, more than 10 goals, 12 goals right now, but I was determined just to come up here and try to do all the right stuff after just getting traded after the first week, which was a little blow to me, but everything worked out well.